So today we have the brand new Apple Watch. Yeah.
That my daddy is going to, and it's brand new.
Series 4 Gold.
And it's his first new one.
And this is the old one, the original.
Yes.
So do you want to pull this? See, I think you can just pull it like that. There we go.
And if you want to watch, if you didn't watch my
There's tabs right here.
if you didn't watch my channel, that when I did all of my unboxing videos, like with the one with the
Her channel is called Ava in Action.
yes, if you don't know how to spell, so Ava in Action. If you don't know how to spell that, you can say it too and say play Ava in Action. If you forget that,
So here's the packaging for the Apple Watch inside.
yes, and receive.
And nice little face right there in gold.
Yep.
Open that up. Designed by Apple in California.
Ooh.
And this is just kind of like the tips and
And what
stuff.
I was saying that on my channel,
And we've got the charger here.
yes, and I was trying to say on my channel that I opened up toys, but today
She just opened up toys from Target on her channel.
yeah.
Charger brick. Cube. And look at this, it comes in a nice little pouch. Bougie. Yeah.
Looks good. How do we get it out?
Pull it out this way. There you go. Got it?
And
Okay.
here is it. Oh, and it even has an apple on it.
Yeah, the Apple logo.
No, I almost dropped it.
Here, let's show the camera the back, because the back is all new. Oh, it looks like it's turning on. I think you turned it on there, honey.
Yeah, I'm gonna press this.
We can kind of show them the difference between the backs here. Remember how to take this off. See?
So that
This one
has.
has 4, right? 4 little circles, and this one has 1.
Yeah.
So now it wants me to pair it. But before I do that, this is the band. It comes separate. And the one thing I like about this new watch is that once the update comes in, you'll be able to do an ECG. So you can take an ECG right from your watch, and it'll tell you if your heart rate is too high or too low.
Guys, I'm touching my daddy because it's cold in here and he's warm. And I'm cold.
And here's the gold Melanese loop.
Ooh, that looks so cool.
Yeah, that's pretty nice, huh? So it's got a little tab here that you can just pull it and it comes right out. Apple does packaging really, really well and makes everything super easy to take out.
Yeah, not so hard and then you might accidentally break it.
So here's just kind of a comparison of the two.
So I guess guys need to show you something that this one is gold.
Mhm.
This one is gold. And this one is kind of a silver. It's a little bit gray but more silver.
And so I'm gonna put this together. And
And when
that's
I'm bigger, my daddy's gonna let me have this watch.
yeah,
because
when
it's
she
too-
can fit into it, maybe
Yeah,
I'm gonna
it's
give this to you, or
not-
maybe we can see if there's a kids band that we can get.
Yeah,
so you can use this one.
because my arm is too little.
Yeah. But that's the new gold
Watch.
Apple Watch Series 4.
And I think it's turning out good already. It looks so good.
Yeah, let's just attach one of these on here and see what it looks like really quick. Get which way it goes.
I don't know why I'm laughing.
unboxing. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, this was a short video.
Yep. Bye, guys.